Welcome students. I am science teacher from Eklare High School. Standard 10, subject science 2, chapter 4, environmental management. My role in environment is first conservation, conserving the available resources. Then second is control. In this, preventing the harm, stopping the harmful activities, and changing the mindset. Third is production, removal of harm factors of environment. And in this, second is attempting innovation. Fourth, preservation, preserving whatever has been left over. Remedies to prevent further loss, preserving unknown regions. Then prevention, preventing possible harms. Second, designing new plants. And third one is factors harmful to environment. And last, awareness. In this, first is to give education. Then second, guidance. Third is awareness. Fourth is imitation. 5, organization. And 6 is participation. Students, our next topic is hotspot of biodiversity. 34 highly sensitive biodiversity spots are reported all over the world. Such areas had once occupied 15.7% area of the earth. At present, 86% of the sensitive areas are already destroyed. Presently, only 2.3% area of the earth has been left over with sensitive spots. It includes 1,50,000 plant species, which are 50% of the world count. 3 endangered heritage places of the country. The Western Ghat spread over the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Tamil Nadu and Kerala has been endangered due to mining industry and search for natural gas. Manas Sanctuary of the Assam is under threat due to dams and indiscriminate use of water. Tiger and rhino of that region are under threat. Sundarban Sanctuary of West Bengal is reserved for tigers. However, the tiger population and overall local environment is seriously challenged by dams, deforestation, excessive fishing, treaches, duck formation, etc. Habitats of Asiatic lion and wild bison of this region have been under threat. Then, classification of threatened species. First is endangered species. Either number of these organisms is declined or their habitat is shrunk to such an extent that they can be extinct in near future if conserving measures are not implemented. For example, lion-tailed monkey, Lizard florican. Second, rare species. Number of this organism is considerably declined. Organisms of this species being endemic may become extinct very fast. For example, red panda, musk deer. Third is vulnerable species. Number of these organisms is extremely less and continues to decline. For example, tiger, lion. And fourth is indeterminate species. These organisms appear to be endangered, but due to their some behavioral habits like shyness, there is no definite and substantial information. For example, Giant squirrel, in Marathi it is Shekru Khar. Students, always remember these things. First is destroying a plant to destroying everything. Second, practice afforestation to conserve environment. Third, forest is wealth. Fourth, environmental protection is value education. Fifth, provident use of paper is prevention of deforestation. 6. To practice the environmental protection is to development of human society. And 7. Pure air, pure water is key to our healthy life.